Right, we're finally gonna start on the notchback. My brother's coming to help me move it into the storage container. Got the special tool, the broom. It's rotten. I got floor pans inside, but yeah, it's bad. It'll be a lot of work, but we'll get it done. I'm gonna throw some bug spray in there because there's black widows and all kinds of stuff in here. But I'm gonna wear a mask and gloves. My dashboard. I feel like the Flintstones right now. The guy that delivered the notchback told me the battery flew out. Well, almost flew out from his tow truck as it went through the floor there. Seatbelt still on. Safety first. Special tool announcement. Broom. Alright, we can see the rust a bit clearer now. I don't know if I could fix this, but I'm gonna try. I got the new floor pans, but I think I'm gonna need a little more than new floor pans. Yep. I think I need a few more pieces here. The one good thing about this car is that it's got every knob, every crank. It's like, it's got everything. You know, even the windows have the knobs. All the interior panels are here. It's missing this stuff, but it's got the Z handrest, both sides. It literally has everything. All the windows. The seats I have inside. Check this out. The engine's completely there, everything. So I mean, it's rusted out, but it's got everything. The exhaust, yeah, it's even got this little thing. I don't have the little Volkswagen 1500, and the rear bumper I don't have, but other than that, it's solid. All the gauges, check it out. It's all there. Even the rear ashtrays. So I'm just gonna spray some bug spray in there, but next week I'll make another video. I'll probably start cleaning everything up, getting all the glass off, all the little stuff inside, and get it labeled and ready to work on it. I'm not sure how I'm gonna do it, but I'm gonna do it. If you guys would enjoy this, make sure you sub, and you'll see more of it. All right, we're out.